All right, so if you're running a problem where your tooling changes, but it doesn't stop, because for my instance, I forgot to put manual tool change and my tools weren't loaded, you just go in here. Let's just say it wanted to be T2, but I have T1 in and it's about to start with T1. All you do is you press T2 and you press down and it goes straight to there, and then you want to start from up here. That's the beginning of your program, not here. I just wanted to find T2. So this is if you're trying to remember where to start from, because your tooling is T2 but you have T1 in there. So hopefully you guys understand that, but that's just, how do I start all over again? I don't want to start from the top. So you can just start from there and you'll be fine. Just make sure you press feed hold when it happens, or you can press stop. For me, I press feed hold and I press stop and I reset, so I had to literally start from scratch. It started all the way back up here at T1, and then I needed to be in T2. So that's if you forget to put manual tool change in your program using Fusion. So this is to help anybody out in the event that that happens and you need to go back into your program but don't know where to start it from.